Hello guys, my name is Arda Wikarta, you can call me Arda. In here I will make a muffin. You can call in bahasa is kue bolu. So for those of who want to know how to make it, let's do it. First, you prepare the ingredients. After the ingredients have been prepared, let's go to the how to make a muffin or kue pop. Come on. First, you put the egg. Next, put the sugar. Then, put the TBM or food developer and salt. And put the rasa vanilla. Mix well using a mixer until the dough is white and a little stiff. After white and a little stiff, turn off and leave the mixture. Then, add little flour and stir with oil until distributed. After it is evenly mixed, then put in the pan that has been smeared with butter and sprinkling of flour. After that, you must add tuk, 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 it's many. Preheat the heat to about 115 degrees. Then put the cake in the oven and wait for it to cook. Don't forget to rotate the cake so that then the cake cooks evenly. After browning in the top is dry, the cake is ripe, the cake is ready to be served.